Sociological theories offer a framework for understanding the complexities of human society. Within this realm, two prominent schools of thought, structural theories and action theories, present contrasting perspectives on the nature of social order and individual behavior. Structural theories, often referred to as macro-level theories, emphasize the overarching structures and institutions that shape individual lives. These structures, such as the economy, the legal system, or the family, are seen as powerful forces that determine individual behavior and social interactions. In contrast, action theories, also known as micro-level theories, focus on the individual as the primary unit of analysis. They argue that individuals are active agents who create and shape society through their interactions and interpretations of the world around them. Action theories emphasize the role of individual agency, meaning that individuals have the capacity to make choices and act independently, rather than being simply determined by social structures. One of the key differences between structural and action theories lies in their understanding of social change. Structural theories often view social change as a gradual process driven by shifts in the underlying structures of society. For example, a structural theorist might argue that the rise of capitalism led to changes in family structures and gender roles. Action theories, on the other hand, emphasize the role of individual action and collective movements in driving social change. They highlight how individuals, through their interactions and interpretations, can challenge existing social norms and bring about significant transformations. A prominent example of a structural theory is functionalism, which views society as a complex system of interconnected parts, each with a specific function that contributes to the overall stability and well-being of the system. Functionalists argue that social institutions, such as the family, education, and religion, serve essential roles in maintaining social order and meeting the needs of society. Conflict theory, another structural theory, focuses on the power dynamics and inequalities that exist within society. Conflict theorists argue that social structures are inherently unequal and that these inequalities lead to conflict and social change. Action theories, in contrast, emphasize the subjective meanings and interpretations that individuals bring to their interactions. Symbolic interactionism, a prominent action theory, focuses on how individuals use symbols, such as language and gestures, to communicate and create meaning in their interactions. Symbolic interactionists argue that social reality is not fixed, but is constantly being constructed and negotiated through these interactions. In summary, structural and action theories offer complementary perspectives on the nature of society and individual behavior, while structural theories emphasize the influence of overarching structures and institutions. Action theories highlight the role of individual agency and interpretation in shaping social reality. Both perspectives are valuable for understanding the complexities of human society and the dynamic interplay between individual action and social structures.